Alrighty, I want to do a quick video on this Pohl Schmitt. Let's see the model number. KE-100. I had an issue yesterday where I keep pressing in the lid when I'm open. And a really super simple fix, just kind of looking. I pressed in this side and I could see that the focus doesn't want to work. See, does it come? There we go. Where's that focus? Right there. Oh, I even touched the screen and made a focal point, your focus point. Doesn't want to cooperate there. There we go. Is it green? Is that good? No, it doesn't want to. Anyways, I pushed this in and it went below the edge. This side, though, when I pushed in, didn't. So what I did was, it'd be cool if that would focus. Let's hope it doesn't. Yeah, like that. There we go. So what I did was, I just took a knife and I went from the bottom up and shaved off an amount. So when I did press the button, and I can see it might still be on one side a little bit, not going back in, where this one goes in a lot deeper. Isn't really anything protruding. I guess there's a little bit protruding. This one, oh, it still has a little more. This one does still have a little bit more. Oh, whoops, still has a little bit more protruding. However, there's that shaving off that little bit of the lip was enough to where now I press and opens no problem, but I'd have to kind of pull down and push back when I press down and hope I kind of, got it to pop up. And now it's open and closing no problem. I figured I'd show that. I hate to see a good heater like this go to waste if the lid was getting stuck. It's just a quick, easy fix. Excuse me. Okay. Body's saying time to make more tea. So be safe, stay healthy. Christ be with you, and pray for peace out there.